Imagine that you guys are new employees, and I'm gonna walk you through a day, your first day on the job, on what to expect.
Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin Ballard, Public Works Representative here at the City of Fort Pierce. Today's Lunch and Learn featuring the Solid Waste Division was a huge success. We had around 40 people here, we had live demonstrations, we had presentations, we had all kinds of things. It was a lot of fun. We were so excited to be able to share with our residents of the City of Fort Pierce what the Solid Waste Division does for them every day. These men and women work so hard at what they do, and to be able to share that with our residents and have the turnout that we had today was amazing, and we're so thankful.
Well, today's event was pretty much going over the solid waste services that we offer in the City of Fort Pierce. We also did a demonstration. We gave away prizes.
Last four numbers, 6761.
There was a lunch. We also gave out just an education on what to put out, what to place out, when to place out. So our duties and responsibilities in the solid waste division is to mainly pick up the trash and making sure that it's environmentally safe. We also service not only just residential, but we service commercial customers as well. What I hope that the residents got out of it is just education.
If you weren't able to make it out today for our Lunch and Learn, that's okay. We have plenty more coming up. Our next one will be next quarter, featuring our Fleet Maintenance Division. We're so excited to feature them, and we'd love to see you there. If you have any questions or need any information, please call me, Caitlin Ballard, at 772-467-3795.